National health officials warn the COVID-19 pandemic is heading in the wrong direction as 30 states have yet to fully vaccinate at least half of their residents.
Massachusetts not one of those states, but the contagious Delta variant continues to spread amongst both vaccinated and unvaccinated people. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo is live for us in studio with more. Audrey.
Several Eastern Mass communities have issued mask advisories following the spread of the Delta variant. The concern among state and local health officials is that widespread immunity is still far off, and unvaccinated people are a prime target for the virus.
I work from home. I have been practicing, wearing the mask and everything. But it is in the back of your mind.
Kristen DeLuco joining the more than half of Massachusetts residents with at least one COVID-19 vaccine dose. She got her first shot Monday at a mobile clinic in East Hampton. She says the highly contagious new COVID strain has been weighing on her.
Just when we thought things were starting to get better, I still wanted to get vaccinated, but especially with the Delta variant.
According to the most recent health data from the state, around 60% of Massachusetts is fully vaccinated against COVID-19, better than some parts of the country. But national health experts suggest 70 to 75% is needed for more widespread immunity.
For the life of me, I don't understand why you wouldn't be vaccinated.
Congressman Richard Neal sitting down with Dave Mattson for the Western Mass News Getting Answers program to discuss COVID-19 as the Delta variant continues to spread. Neal saying the variant's effect on vaccinated people tends to be mild.
But for those who are unvaccinated, it still is a death threat. And I just don't think you can waltz around this one without hitting the science of it clearly. And the science says, get vaccinated.
We checked in with Mercy Medical Center in Springfield. Their chief clinical officer says there's concern when it comes to 3 of the metrics they use to measure COVID-19 in the local hospital.
Unfortunately, over the last month, we've started to see all 3 of those trends move in the wrong direction. Thankfully, hospitalizations and deaths are remaining fairly low and are increasing at a much slower pace than the rate of new infections.
Now, there is a large percentage of the population, kids under 12, who are not able to get the vaccine yet. Coming up on Western Mass News at 6, we dig deeper on the role that kids are playing in new infections statewide as the countdown clock for back to school ticks away. Live in studio, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.